Good morning, Geo, darling. Good morning, Rarity. Good morning, Spike. Good morning, Fluttershy. Hello there. Sorry that I couldn't wake up because I was in the middle of a dream, just like Sleeping Beauty. That makes sense.
Oh, hi! I'm so glad you're here.
Our morning's great. Yeah, they certainly are great. Indeed, Spiky Wikey and Fluttershy, indeed.
Did you hear that?
What was it? What is that rumbling noise, darling? Is that a large, adult, fire-breathing dragon? Oh, don't freak out, Fluttershy.
That was my tummy. I'm always hungry at breakfast time.
That's clear. Phew, you had me scared for a moment. I didn't see it coming. That's the point, Fluttershy, darling.
Hey, what do you like to eat for breakfast?
Allow me. Discord and I always love tea parties. Spike eats jams, and Rarity drinks tea and eats biscuits.
Oh, that sounds good.
Classic Fluttershy, darling. You and Discord always love tea parties.
Let's go get my sister Millie.
And let's also get Twilight Sparkle, Pit Petals, Sunny Star Scout, Bianca the former Baroness, and the rest of our friends.
And see what's for breakfast.
Good idea.
Millie, it's breakfast time.
Hello there. It's almost breakfast. It's about breakfast time. Are y'all ready for it?
Are you ready? Almost ready, Geo.
Morning, Millie. Morning, guys. Nice stars and moons dress. It reminds me of Princess Luna. Thanks.
Oh, hi. I've just got to change out of my stars and moons dress.
All right.
There. Perfect.
And right in time for morning. Exactly. And I have to find the right main style. Too early. Too neat. Too hot. Too cold. Was that not the first time with the main style? No. I had to change it up. Similar to the performance on Golden after the Perilous Parent Problem. Actually, both versions of the Perilous Parent Problem. That makes sense. And that's why it felt so great to perform that again, as well as the invincibility star thing when we had to defeat Sharadisco. Just like how he had to do it inspired by Sophia the First, the Mystic Isles, where Sophia and Amber had defeated Prisma. Very true. And we still forgive you, Geo and Millie, no matter what you two did. And we still forgive you, Misty. Thanks. Yahoo! He got us again. Oh my goodness, Fluttershy. You have to control yourself. I know, I can't help it. I'm just sensitive. That makes sense.
Come on, Millie, I'm hungry. Let's go see what's for breakfast.
All right.